Hello, how are you? So this morning I dropped the kids off. This is day 2 for them in school. I'm off today, yay! I dropped them off, I went to the gym, and now I'm about to clean up their rooms. They cleaned it up, but I'm just gonna go in there and put my mommy touch on their rooms, okay? So this is the mess I left earlier with all their uniforms. I have clean sheets that I need to put on their beds. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that for them. If you want some cleaning motivation, stay tuned. So it is 11:52. I'm sorry, I can't. 10:52. I want to be done by like 11:52 in an hour. So spend 30 minutes in her room and 30 minutes in his. Let's see what we can do. I'm about to turn on some music. So you may see me do a little dance, something upbeat. Let's get to it. Morgan Scott. I am a mother of 2 small children, recently divorced, a full-time pharmacist, and one that just loves to be at home. I enjoy posting content with me cleaning, decorating, gardening, and so much more. If you enjoy content like that, please subscribe. I would love to have you. So I just finished picking up in her room. It's been about 30 minutes. We're gonna come back up here after school is out. There's some things that needs her attention and some things we're going to do together. But it looks much better here. So now I'm moving down the hall to my son's room. I'm missing linen. I asked them to throw their linen over the banister or balcony, and I'm missing sheets for this bed. I'm missing a pillowcase for her room, a whole pillowcase for his room, 3 pillowcases. So I'm just gonna wait for them to get home and make them find what I'm missing, and we're gonna continue when they get back from school. But so far, I have 1 bed made, picked up some trash, get that area decluttered, hang up that picture today. Hang up this picture. Here, I bought at Goodwill. I'm gonna hang it right outside. This room. I'm taking a look at his bathroom. Yeah, we're gonna do some more work when they get home. Looking at the playroom, they did a good job in here. They have some work to do. Bye for now. All right, so I'm in my daughter's closet. I did get dressed. I stepped out, put a little makeup on, braided my hair back, put on some earrings and whatnot. Picked up the kids. They're home now. I'm in my daughter's closet. I did change back into what I had on before. But I'm in my daughter's closet. I went through her clothes. I have a pile of, where is it? Throwaways and giveaways, mostly uniforms that I'm replacing. Clothes here that I'm gonna give away. I should say donate. His clothes. This artwork from a thrift store. You see here it has the tag on it. It was $49.99. I got it for $25. What a steal. And then my dad put this wire hook on here for me. My son's bathroom needs some attention, and we do clean that bathroom together off camera. At the end of this video, you'll see the result. Vacuuming upstairs today was so satisfying. One, because there was a lot of trash on the floors. They do have a vacuum upstairs, and my daughter is responsible for vacuuming her room and my son his, but my vacuum is much better. It gets much more of the trash. The suction is better. But hearing the trash, the vacuum pick up that trash, I enjoy that sound, and also just seeing how clean the carpets were after I finished vacuuming was just so satisfying. Thanks so much for watching. This is just a walkthrough of how the upstairs is looking now. So this is real life. The kids are preparing for bed and for school the next day. If you're here still and you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And subscribers, thanks so much for the support. Until the next video, have a good one.